Yes, sir.
Good evening, Supriya. You are appearing for which interview on which date? And please tell me that.
Sir, I'm attending on 6th of the December for Karnataka Bank PO.
Acha. Is this second time we are talking?
Yes, sir. This is second time.
Excellent. I'm very happy. Now, briefly tell me, last time you must have told me about you, but still,
Yes, sir.
normally interviews start with self-introduction. Please tell me the way you would like to be known to Karnataka Bank people.
Sir, your voice is coming very low.
Acha?
Can you repeat
Yeah,
that?
yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
yeah. Now it is okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is now okay, sir.
Acha, that means this is the. Yeah, now I think you are able to hear me properly.
Sir, it is again becoming very low, sir.
Acha? Yeah, you. Hello, now.
Yes, sir. Now it is correct.
Very. Supriya is from which state?
I am from Shivamoga district, sir.
Oh, acha. Shivamoga. Correct. That girl. Very nice. Yeah. What is the degree you studied, please?
Sir, I completed my Master of Computer Applications
Correct. Master of Computer Applications. Which year did you complete it?
in the year 2018.
After that, what you have been doing, Supriya?
Sir, I have an aspiration of becoming a banker. So I started preparing. After that, 2 years COVID pandemic hit.
Yeah.
So after that only I'm preparing and giving the exams and I'm
Yeah.
here today, sir.
Yeah. You are married.
No, sir, I'm unmarried.
So how many
I'm
siblings
single.
you have? How many siblings you have?
Sir, I have two elder brothers.
What are they doing?
My first elder brother is working as a senior mechanical engineer in Bengaluru.
Hmm.
And my second elder brother is working as a data scientist. He also reside in Bangalore, sir.
Very good. What is your father?
My father, Sri Channappa, is he handles the hardware shop in Shivamoga.
Mhm. Good. Mother?
My mother, Srimati Shashikala, she is a homemaker, sir.
Very good. MCA.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
can you tell me ATMs are connected through which financial switch?
So ATMs are connected through NPCI.
NPCI. What is the platform name? Platform name
So
is National Financial Switch.
okay, so yes, sir, National Financial
Switch.
Integrators. Yes, sir.
Mm, good.
Switch.
What is the topology used in, say, the core banking solutions?
Uh, uh, Core banking solution is mainly an interbanking transactions,
Not
which is
not
which
not
happens.
inter not interbranch within a
So,
bank within a bank.
yes, sir, within the bank. Uh, so don't
So
get.
I think normally they will tell some topology like bus topologies, this topology and all that. You are remembering them or you are not remembering?
Sir, I'm not remembering actually.
But try to revise some of the computer points. I think some materials are already there in the folder given to you. Something
Yes, sir.
like, so please go through basics of a computer and
Okay, sir.
especially networking.
Okay, sir. Okay, I will update on that also, sir.
What do you know about cyber attacks and how they can be prevented?
So cyber attacks, it nowadays, it is. This one I'm just not recalling properly. It can be overcome through securing the data. And I'm sorry, I'm not able to answer it, sir.
This is your own subject now.
Yes, sir. Yes.
What are the, I mean, you could not study anything about computer?
Not fully, sir. On the brief only, I have studied.
Mhm. At least tell me what is the name of cyber attacks?
Um,
Oh, Baba. कुछ नहीं जान, you are not remembering. Why?
I'm not remembering, sir. So
Mm.
online, it's through online. So sorry,
For
sir.
example, no, doesn't matter. For example, when you search in Google, India, I mean,
Okay.
cyber attacks, you come across uh, why are cyber attacks increasing in India? It is due to ransomware attacks. Ransomware operators,
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, I got it. I got it
ransom,
now.
ransomware operators are increasingly exploiting vulnerabilities in less common software, making it more difficult to predict and defend against attacks. The report said there was also a sharp increase in password based and multi factor authentication fatigue attacks during the year. Then
Yes,
what
sir.
are what are the top cyber attacks? The 20 most common cyber
Yes.
attacks, or are you seeing on the screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
DOS
It's
and
phishing
DDoS,
attacks.
then
Yes, sir.
MITM attacks, phishing attacks, whale phishing attacks, sphere phishing attacks, ransomware, password attack like that. Okay. Then
Okay, sir.
which state is known as cyber state of India? Maharashtra tops the list
Maharashtra.
with more than 5,900 cases in the 5 years, followed by Uttar Pradesh. Karnataka is third, but I thought they will tell the name of Jharkhand. But Jharkhand name is not coming because they commit crimes on other states only. Jharkhand is known for this fishing.
Yes, sir.
Anyhow, doesn't matter. Good. So you must read something about this. Prepare for that.
Okay, sir. I will
Now I will
update
ask
on
other
this.
questions. Please tell me, what do you
Yes, sir.
understand by demand deposits?
So demand deposits, borrower, no, so account holder will request the money and withdrawal. So I'm just nervous
Good.
thing. I will take a 2 seconds. Account holder asks the money and he will get so he can withdraw without noticing to the bank.
What are the names of accounts?
Saving bank account and current account.
So the first answer is not required. Simply, you could have told savings bank account and current account are known as demand deposit accounts because the bank has to repay the money when it is demanded.
Yes, sir.
What are time deposit accounts?
Fixed deposit account and recurring deposit account.
Good, very good answer. Please tell me the difference between fixed deposit and recurring deposit.
Fixed deposit is the money which is kept for a specific period of time with a certain rate of interest. And recurring deposit account, it is also a similar as fixed deposit. It is kept, which is depositor monthly pays the certain sum money for until the maturity date.
It is not, don't use the word similar because it is not similar. Fixed deposit, we are putting one lump sum, we are getting interest every quarter at fixed rate. At the end of the period, we will get back the principal also. Whereas RD
Yes,
account is an account where we have to pay equal installments every month. And if it is not paid, penal charges are to be paid. The rate
yes,
of
sir.
interest is same for both type of accounts depending on the period.
Yes, sir.
And then in the case of both, yeah, this is recurring deposit, fixed deposit, fixed amount, repayable. Ah, the minimum period in the case of fixed deposit is 7 days to 10 years. In the case of RD account, it is 6 months to 10 years.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Now, please tell me names of few loan accounts, advances.
Loan account advances.
No, no, no. Loans, various loan products of Karnataka Bank.
Okay, sir. Home loans, in which
No, no.
KBL,
Tell me the name of loans.
so home loans, gold loans, and KBL Garniveshana loan, and KBL Vidyanidhi, and KBL Ravi Kiran loan for solar energies,
Hmm,
and skill loan schemes, KBL Express Comfort Home Loan,
hmm.
and so on, sir.
What is KBL commercial vehicle?
It's
Hello.
an, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Now,
It's,
if you search the website of Karnataka Bank, all these
yes,
names
sir.
you can be seen. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, very good. Which newspaper are you reading?
Hindu, sir, Hindu.
What is the news you have read yesterday, today, or day before yesterday?
So, in today's newspaper, others, other enabled payment systems, there is a fraud ongoing, and
Ayo.
the details,
Oh,
yes,
oh.
and Karnataka is the highest in that fraud. Cyber fraud is using the fingerprints of
Hmm,
fraudsters is transferring the money in
hmm,
online format. So and police and all the expertise were saying that
hmm,
to mask the 8 digits of the Aadhaar with the fingerprints should
hmm,
be kept hidden. So these are the things were in the
hmm.
paper. And in
Can
Bangalore,
you,
literature festival is
what
held.
festival?
Sir. Literature festival.
Oh, church. Good, good. Very happy. Yeah. Shivamoga is known for what?
It is the gateway for the Western Ghats. Malenadina Hebbagilo, it's called.
Oh, oh. Then what are the crops grown in Shivamoga?
The famous crops are paddy and
Hmm,
arak nut
hmm.
and coconut
Okay.
and cardamom and
Hmm.
many others.
You get cardamom also there. Oh, oh.
Yes, sir, they plant along with the coffee.
What about coffee?
So coffee also they will
Oh, oh.
they produce,
It is
but
got
not
there.
in that excess. But yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you tell me who is the
And
MD and CEO of Karnataka Bank?
yes, sir, Mr. Sri Krishnan Harihara Sharma.
What is digital banking?
So digital banking is an online payment, online transactions, which allows mobile banking, ATMs,
Hmm.
without going to the bank branch. We can avail through the digitals,
You can also
internet banking,
you can also tell internet banking, mobile banking,
banking,
WhatsApp banking,
ATMs.
FASTag, all
Yes, the
these things.
WhatsApp.
FASTag,
Yes, sir.
WhatsApp banking, all these things you can tell. Okay, good. Can you name
Okay.
three northern states, their capitals?
Yes, sir. Um, Andhra Pradesh.
No, no, I'm asking northern.
Yes, sir. Northern. Okay, sir.
Northern Andhra
Mm,
Pradesh is southern state.
yes, I got. No, no, sir. Sir, Uttar Pradesh. That is. Mm, so Madhya Pradesh, Lucknow,
Madhya Pradesh,
and
Lucknow. Madhya Pradesh, Lucknow is the
sir.
capital. Huh?
No, sir. Indore.
No, Bhopal.
Sir, I'm not remembering it, sir.
Madhya Pradesh means
Sir,
Bhopal.
Rajasthan, Jaipur.
Okay.
Mm,
Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Then one more state.
Bhopal, yes, sir.
You told Uttar Pradesh and you didn't say.
Jharkhand, Bhubaneswar, sir.
Oh, Baba, hey, Baba, what is
I'm
there?
sorry, sir. My
Jharkhand is
GK.
Jharkhand is Ranchi.
Ranchi, right?
Bhubaneswar is the capital for Odisha.
Yes, yes, sir.
Why your general knowledge is very poor? Why?
No, sir, it's not like that.
Base. These are all
I just
basic.
got confused, it seems, sir.
Okay. Why should I select you as an officer? You don't know anything about GK. Why should I select you? I mean, I'm just making fun. Don't take seriously. Ah,
Okay, sir.
but they will
Uh,
ask like this to threaten you. This is known as
okay.
stress interview. Stress interview.
Okay, sir.
Tell me,
Um,
why should I
yes,
select you?
sir. Sir, because I dreamt of this, definitely I will work on my GK and improve on those areas which I'm not fully known. I will work on those things. And because I am very dreamt of this job, so it will become my passion to work on this job. And I will enjoy working in this banking, and even I will grow even
Hmm,
my skills of diligent hardworking. I can use those things to know more, and I will upgrade my skills.
very good.
So
Best
that's
wish.
why.
Very good. Best wishes. Please read
Okay, sir.
something more about banking, something more about computer, something more about general knowledge, especially current affairs. And
Okay, sir.
you have to, I don't know how did I react in the first interview. So you please improve your confidence and go. I wish you success. Please
Okay,
attend the
sir.
interview and send the questions they are asking by posting in our group. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.